Now, a couple of weeks ago, many of you will know that we saw what looks like the ET5 Touring camouflaged, which is something that is signaling or showing that Nio is indeed busy with their facelift models, which they are launching from Q2 of this year. I mean, these facelift models are the ones that are supposed to take Nio to the next level. These facelift models are the ones that are supposed to help Nio get to profitability. And boy, I must say, I cannot wait to see, obviously, to see Nio start selling these cars. Now, the reason why I'm telling you about this today, we saw the camouflaged car or Nio car, which looks like the ET5 mid sedan. A few weeks ago, we saw the ET5 Touring, right? Now, today we see ET5 mid sedan camouflaged, which again, this shows us that Nio is cooking. Nio is making sure that they are getting their cars ready, their facelift model ready, which is something that when I got to see this, I thought I'd come and give you this latest development. Last week we were talking about the sneak peek of the ES7, and we were talking also about the sneak peek of the Envoy L60, L70, which, boy, I must say, these Nio cars, these Envoy cars, they are quite beautiful, and I must say I cannot wait to see how they look like. ET5 Touring, ET5 mid sedan, ES6 and EC6, we know that in terms of the external upgrades or in external changes, there won't be that much. The changes might just be on the lights. This is what we can expect, or this is what the Nio CEO said, but he did not, of course, say the lights, but he said there won't be much changes on the outside, which we all know that facelift model, the only thing that changes a lot is the lights, right? Which therefore means even on Nio, the only thing that might change onto these four models that I told you might be the lights, but on the cars over 400,000 RMB, this is the ES7, EC7, ET7, and ES8. All these four models, I think we are going to see a total shift or a total change from these models, as Nio knows that they need to start generating as many sales as possible from this, and therefore we need to brace ourselves for that, because I think the statement that the Nio CEO said about not many changes coming from the outside on these four models, he's just signaling already so that those in the top tier, the outside is also going to change. There will be a lot of changes, which, boy, I cannot wait to see how the Nio ES8, for example, will look like. I mean, we saw a sneak peek or a peek, which is not yet confirmed by Nio, of how the ES7 will look like. And I did say when we were discussing on that video to say that if the ES7 is looking like that, imagine how the ES8 will look like. Imagine how the ET7 will look like. This is just incredible, man. This is just great, and we look forward to this. So today, yes, we saw the camouflaged ET5 mid sedan, and this shows you that Nio is cooking, Nio is getting ready, and ignore the naysayers, ignore the short sellers, because I tell you, man, blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering will most definitely be rewarded. There is more vehicles that we are going to continue seeing in the near future. Nio getting them get ready to be launched, and all I can say is that I cannot wait, because there is just a lot that will be happening onto Nio. March, the deliveries of ET9 are starting. Next month, ET9 deliveries are starting. In April, Nio will be doing the official launch of the Firefly sub-brand with the internal spec and all the other things that you find onto this car, and the price without buzz, and I cannot wait. Then May, I think we are going to get ET5 Touring, ET5 mid sedan, ES6, EC6 being launched, which is something that I'm telling you, it's going to open a lot of sales. Better watch out, man, because Nio is cooking, Nio is set for greatness, and it is going to do very, very well. And guess who's going to be rewarded? Those that are persevering throughout the heading of the share price, those that are taking the low share price as opportunity to add more, to load the boat. But of course, it's all up to you. What you do with your Nio stock, Nio holdings, it's up to you, man. If you want to sell, you can sell. If you want to buy more, you can buy more. If you want to buy for the very first time, you can also do that. But it's up to you, because I'm not certified to tell you what to do with your holdings. I'm not certified to tell you what you might think about when you look into your Nio holdings. So I am happy, man. I am excited. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. That's all from me. I mean, yesterday Nio share price finished on a green. It was good to see, especially knowing that other Chinese EVs finished on a red. But when you go to the US, there, Lucid, Rivian, Tesla, all of these EV cars ended in a green, with Lucid closing over 13%. This is remarkable for Lucid, though I've discussed why I believe that Nio should be valued way more than Lucid. But Lucid, share price wise, they're doing exceptionally well. Right now, their market cap has surpassed that of Nio again. Rivian's market cap is, I think, $4-5 billion more than that of Nio. And Tesla market cap, we don't even want to talk about that. But anyways, I hope to see Chinese equities like Nio also recovering and catching up, because they've been beaten down for quite some time. They've not been doing that well, and therefore because of that, I think they deserve a breather. They deserve to gain the good momentum. Baba has been doing so well. Share price wise, Alibaba has been doing so well. Who would have thought that we will be seeing Baba where it is right now, almost at $120 per stock. So many of the investors who own Baba, or those that were talking bad about Baba, I'm sure right now also already the short sellers are burning, because Baba, it looks like it's not going to stop anytime soon, which is exciting investors like me, like some that own Alibaba. Blue sky is coming, man. Nio will come. Nio's time will come. We'll get Nio share price recovering, and we look forward to that. That's all from me, and God bless you all.